Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at 3 or 4 coins or probably 5. I will try to see what I can cover, but these coins are, or I think will most likely perform in this alt season, considering that there is going to be a big alt season. So first of all, let's look overall market and what is happening with altcoins as of now. So if we look at alt season index, it has been it went down, but I think it has started to go up, as you can see. So that's good for the altcoins, and Bitcoin dominancy is actually struggling. So as of now it's going up, but I think we will most likely see alt season pretty much soon, because we do have a lot of capital going into meme coins at the moment. So I think once that shifts to the altcoins, we'll most likely see an alt season. But there is also another chart which I think is a pretty good one. So this is a chart which exclude top 10 crypto currencies by market cap. So it doesn't include XRP, no Ethereum, even Bitcoin is not here. So this, if you look here, this chart is actually is on the edge of breakout. So if we do see a breakout from here, or at least what I think, that most of the altcoins will actually go up. So if we do look here, so I think most of these alts will go up. So as of now, we are going to look at coins that I think could actually perform really well. So let's start with the first one. So the first one that I think, the coin that is going to probably go up is Osmosis. So listen to me. So first of all, let me analyze why is that. So if we look here in 2021, at some point the coin did actually hit the price of $10, as you can see here. And if we do look at the market cap, it actually did end up hitting around 3.3 billion market cap. And if we do look at the market cap, at the moment, as you can see, it's barely around 300 million. So we do have a pretty good, I think, room to grow. And if we do look here in 2024 Jan, it actually performed again, as you can see, hitting 1.2 billion market cap. And again, we have been struggling ever since. But this coin is the biggest DEX in Cosmos ecosystem. So if you look here, this is basically Cosmos ecosystem. As you can see here, we have a lot of coins with their own blockchains, and Osmosis is at the forefront. So I think that is probably the reasons why the Osmosis or Osmo coin will most likely go up. But there is another reason. The another reason is that they actually just unveiled Osmo 2.0, as you can see here. So this actually happened around in 2023, but I think because they introduced reduced inflation as well as ban mechanism, and we also had another proposal going on here. This actually was on December 24, as you can see here. So this was basically looking into tokenomics of Osmosis in 2025. So they because of this, I think we could actually go up. I'm not going through this, you can read it if you want, but this does actually make some pretty interesting points. So as you can see here, they show around a ban that happened, which usually happens because of the fees. As you can see, around 2 million Osmos have been banned so far. Osmosis has a fixed supply of 1 billion, and regular inflation reduction events to implement this. So this ban will eventually form a deflationary model for the chain. So I think this is going to be a pretty interesting point for the Osmosis in the future, and I think considering how it has done in the past, this could actually go up. So looking at its price, so the strategy that I think fits this coin as of now is a dollar cost average. So if you are looking to get a coin in a spot market, I think this coin could be a pretty good buy. So the first entry, so this is going to be a pretty small contribution for me. So I'm just looking at a trade in the long run, around 1 to 2 months. So the first entry that I'm actually looking at is around 38 to 35 cent, and if it does not hold, I will most likely enter somewhere around here, around I would say around 33 to 30 cent, and my last entry is going to be around here, around 25 to 22 cent, and my targets are most likely Of course, the biggest one is over $1, but I think in the small run it can actually do 2x easily, somewhere around 60 cent or even 68 cent is a possibility. So I think that is possible for this coin from in this bull run, considering if we do see a alt season. So even if you look at its TVL, it has been holding pretty well. So I think there is a lot of potential, and this could actually run well in this season as well. So it did actually run well in December 2023. So I'm looking at another run like this. Anyways, let's move to the next coin. So the next coin in the list is Ankr Network. So there are a lot of reasons this can go up. So the first, I will be only focusing on one. So if you look here in 2021, it did actually went as high as 16 cent. As you can see here, it does have a pretty big supply, so you can expect it, I think, around again 16 to even 20 cent is the possibility. So at some point it did have a market cap of over 1 billion, as you can see, and it's trading around 300 million again. So I think this one still has a pretty good potential, and I think this one will most likely run like others once, considering we have a bull run. So it did actually go up, as you can see here, hitting I think as high as 500 million market cap, and it has started to go down again. So but I think it will most likely go up. So if you look at the TVL has been improving slowly, so that's good, I think, for the protocol as well. But there is another reasons why this could actually go up. So they just announced in April they had Neuro testnet. So Neuro testnet. So basically it is Ankr's newly announced layer 1 blockchain for AI. So this is going to be a pretty interesting, I think, layer 1 that will most likely pump the Ankr coin, and I think this one is going to be pretty good one for the Ankr. I'm not going to explain what the Ankr is because it actually needs its own review, but I think this one could be cooking something. So let's look at its price action. So as of now, again, same strategy with this one on dollar cost average. So for this coin, I think we do from my analysis, I think we have a pretty good entry somewhere around here. So this whole zone is a pretty good entry zone, around 3.2 to 2.5 cent is a pretty good entry point for this coin, I think, from the looks of it. So if it does continues to go down, you can actually enter below here, somewhere around here. So if it does continues to go down even more, we do have a pretty good entry point around 2 cent to 1.4 cent, seems to be pretty good one. So anyways, and this was the second coin. So let's move to the third one. So the third coin in the list is Zilliqa or Zil. This coin has been forgotten. So this has run really high market cap in the past. So if you look here, it actually went from 600 to as high as, I believe, 2.4 billion in just 1 month. As you can see, again it did same here. So that is the reason why I have included this coin in this video, because if you are not familiar with this coin, this has had this kind of history in the past, so this could actually happen again. So that is one of the reasons why I have included this coin. But this coin has been struggling a lot. So if you look at its DeFi is basically dead as of now. It only has TVL of 200 million, 2 million, as you can see. Still it is going up, but it's not that much. But it has seen a pretty good growth when it comes to its ecosystem. So its ecosystem has been growing slowly, so that's, I think, pretty good one for this coin. And it is a layer 1, as you can see here. It is a smart contract platform as well, and it could actually run like this. So if you're planning to actually get into this coin, because it has a pretty crazy history, as you can see here, so let's assume that we actually want to get into it. So the entry that I'm actually looking at for this coin is somewhere around here, around 1.6 to 1.5 cent, or even this entry could be pretty good as well, around 1.7 to 1.8 also seems to be pretty good. So I'm looking at these two entries, and if it does go up, I think the first target that I'm looking at is most likely around 2.9 cents, so that is going to be 2x from there. So if we are able to get entry here, we will most likely get out once it's up around 80 to 90%. But in the past it has had a pretty massive pumps. So as you can see here, at some point it went from 6 cent to as high as 25 cents, so that was a massive move. Again, it did here as well as here, so let's just say that we see a breakout from here. So these are sleeper coins, you can say, and if once we do see a whales starts pumping the old coins, this could actually go, or this will most likely run like it. So if it does go as high as 8.7 cent, that is still a massive profit from here. So this is a riskier coin, but if you're looking to get into the old coins, or you can say the OG coins from 2021 bull run, so this is another one. Anyways, let's move to the rest of the coins and we'll close the video after that. So these are the rest of the coins that I think will most likely run like they did back in 2021, or at least there is a possibility. I'm not going in depth in these and I'm not going to analyze the price, but the first one is basically KSM or Kusama. So this is a sister of Polkadot, and as of now this has yet to pump. So if you look here, back in 2021 it did actually went over $500, and at some point it had the market cap of over 5 billion and it's trading around 455 million. So I think there is a high possibility if we do see a bull run, considering if we do see a Altseaon as of now, from now on this one could run like crazy. So this was the first one. Again, looking at another one, we have Harmony 1. This coin has had a pretty crazy history as well. So at some point it was trading above 30 cent, or even at some point it actually traded above 20 cent. As of now it's around 2.2 cent, and if you do look at its market cap, at peak it had over 4 billion market cap, and as of now we are only around 280 million. So I think this one could actually run, so that is a possibility. And if you look here, the market cap is much lower, so there is a possibility we'll see a pretty big run from this coin. So this one is a layer 1 and it is also in the Animoca brands portfolio as well as Binance Labs portfolio, so that's I think a massive one. After that we have another OG coin, which is a Rave coin. This is proof of work. So this one has I think everyone knows this coin, but still in the past it has actually traded above, as you can see here, 23 cent, and as of now we are only at 1.9 cent. And if you look at its market cap, in 2021 it did actually had over 1.7 billion market cap, and we are around 285 million. So there is a big possibility this could actually at least go as high as 500 million, so that still is a 2x. After that we have HOLO or HOT, and this one I think this one has had a massive pump as well in the past, as you can see, hitting over 1. I think around 2.3 cent, and it's actually below 1 cent as of now. So I think there's a big possibility this could actually run as well. And if you do look at its market cap, at peak it had over 5 billion market cap, and we are trading below 500 million, so it could actually hit at least 800 or even 900 million market cap. That is still 2x, so I think there is a possibility for this coin to pump as well. So after that we have SNX or Synthetix Network. So this one is a crazy as well, as you can see here. It has had massive pumps in the past, as you can see, hitting $5 casually and even going as high as $25. And if we do look at its market cap, okay, so its market cap has been doing again pretty well as well. So it has actually been over 1 billion for how many times? We have 1 here, 2, 3. It has been over 1 billion market caps for like 10 times or even more. So it's trading on 585 million. So I think there's a possibility that we could again see 1 billion market cap from this coin. So this one is easily 2x if we do see a bull run, of course. After that, last but not least, we have AMP coin or AMP. So this one has had a fair share of controversies, but still I think by controversies I mean it is alleged SEC securities, so I think that could change now as we are going to see new SEC chair. So let's see what happens, but I think this one at some point has had a price of 1 cent, or sorry, as you can see 10 cents, so there's a possibility this could run even more like that. So at some point it had like 5 billion market cap and it's only trading around 641 billion, and it also has a pretty good community. So I think there's a possibility we will most likely see again pump from this as well. So this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.